For years, I've gotten the comment, all you need to do to take down human hair crochet is just unravel the braid. Unravel the braid, unravel the braid, take down the braid, the hair will fall out. However, you guys know, for years, I have been a simply go and take out each and every individual strand type of girl, and it's worked for me. However, it's been a decade since I've had this channel, and I feel like it's the time to try new things. So I am going to try the take down the braid and the hair will fall out method that you guys have been wanting me to try forever. Another reason why it makes sense now is I have a new braider. For the last 6 months, I've been going to a girl professionally to do my braid down. Someone who is a professional braider. My mom or myself has been doing my braid downs for years, and I nor my mother are professionals. So we sew up my leave out, or my hang time, excuse me. My hang time is always sewn up. So access to the braid was never really an option. So when you guys were saying find the braid, wasn't really going to work for me. However, now that my girl Kesh has been doing my braid downs, it's easier to find the braids because she does not sew down my hang time. So I'm going to start unraveling the braid and you'll see what happens next. If anyone has any questions about the hair that's in my head, as always, in every single video of mine, the hair I'm wearing in the video is in the description box. And above, I will post the install of this hair so you can see how it actually got in my head. Sometimes it's helpful if you know how it got in to know how I'm taking it out. But as you can see, surprise, surprise, tickle me pink, call me shocked. This was astounding. The hair did kind of just come out, it kind of came out. I don't know what I expected. I thought this process would work. Like when you guys were commenting, just find the braid and start unraveling it. I did not believe you guys. I want to say that. Let me put that on the record. I wasn't not believing you. My issue had always been, finding the braid is going to be difficult. Y'all remember my old braid patterns. If you don't, I will insert a video of what that looked like. To get to that, I would have to find a way to clip out that string, the string that was mending all those braids together. Finding that with hair on top of it was the challenge. Now that I got my new girl, I've been going to Kish now for almost, I think 6, 7, 8 months now. Now that I got her, and now that I know there is an option, maybe this will be the new way I take down hair. Not maybe. I probably will. Unless I'm reusing the braid pattern. And you guys know sometimes I'm reusing braid patterns. So this is a reused braid pattern. This is my second time using this braid pattern over. You guys know I had the Eon hair in right before this. And now I have this YWigs hair in. So really I figured this is my last time using this braid pattern. Now's the time to do it. However, if I am reusing a braid pattern, the method of finding the braid really won't work because I need that braid pattern again, if that makes sense. To know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. With this process, again, I'm just unraveling the braid and letting the hair fall where it may. And some strands, yes, they are falling on the floor. I will wash it for the next install. Yes, I will wash this hair. Overall, it is an easier process. I won't say it's less time consuming. I will still say I think it took me roughly 2 hours to do it. Again, it is my first time doing this process. I think however you remove human hair crochet, just give yourself time. Don't think it's going to be a quick process. And overall, this is about a third of the way through. I'd say a third of the way took me, 40 minutes if we're doing the math. And then I still have the rest of my hair to go. And also, why does these colors look similar? Like, I didn't even dye this hair. This is the natural color of this hair. This was just a number 4. Is my hair a 4 or a 30? Why in this light is it looking similar. But let's continue on this process. Again, just go back to the install if you want to see how this color 4 hair got into my head. But continuing on, again, just taking the hair out and moving along. Sometimes as a girl, it's hard to admit when other people might be right. But just know, again, it will not work if I'm reusing the braid pattern. So unfortunately, if you ever see me go back to the old way, just know your girl has that braid pattern being reused over again. The hair I have in my head right now, I won't be doing this process because I will be using this braid pattern for another hair if I can, depending on how long I wear it.
Someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, that I got plenty of, I'll dedicate all my love unto you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to cool you up, and let you know
And this is how my hair looks after I've gotten it all out. 2 hours long. And this is my hair. Immediately after this, I got a silk press. So push this out and then set in my girl Monica's chair to get a silk press. But this is my overall look, and this is all the hair that was on the floor after I removed it. Yes, I saved pretty much every strand. There might have been a couple of nicks and knacks here and there's that didn't, make it, or the string kind of, just broke. But I saved a good majority of the hair, and again, you can, as always, reuse human hair crochet. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.